Alright, so today I have a special care package from Nike and Hibbett Sports, and it is a pretty large one. Excited to open it up and show you guys what we have inside. What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description, and happy shopping. So I don't know what I have in this box specifically, but I know the collection releases on June 21st. So check the link in the description. You guys can go over to Hibbett Sports site and purchase any of the things that you see in this video. Also, you can download their app in the link in the description as well. But I really want to see what's inside here, so let's go ahead and open up this box. Also, if you guys didn't notice the display wall behind me, I changed it up a little bit. I have this little LED thing going on here, so I can actually change the colors to whatever you guys want. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what color you guys would like to see in the backdrop, or what looks best, I guess. I'm always curious to see what you guys have to say. And if you guys are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Please, might as well do that. Notification bell to be notified when my videos go live. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this up. All right, pretty big box here. My kid's gonna have a blast with this wrapping paper later. Alright, here we go. Super dope box, really heavy. You can see the N7 print right there, and then it says Nike N7. Magnetic opening. Dopeness. So here is the package that they sent over. This is crazy. So they sent something over to me similar to this last year actually as well. So kind of dope that they're following up with a new year. This is a pair of the Air Max 270s. As you guys know, I have a couple pairs of these already. Love this shoe. This one has some special tribal print on the shoe and nice little detailing on it, not bad. Then also in the box, they threw in a couple extras. First thing, we got some shorts here, and it has the tribal print on the Nike logo on the bottom, which is a nice little addition. Then you have the Nike N7 branding at the bottom down here. Next up, we have a Nike logo t-shirt, as you can see right here, with the swoosh featuring that tribal print. And then the N7 logo on the side. Very nice. And last but not least, they have a new hoodie for this year. And it has some tribal print for the pocket section down here, as well as just the hood. So looks really nice. It looks kind of like it was like hand drawn and then printed, which is kind of cool. Then the N7 logo on the shirt right here. And then the detailing from the box, it says "Dare to rise until we all win." And then it actually opens up with the N7 logo in the middle, and it tells you about the N7 Fund, and then it has the hashtag Dare to Rise. So for those that don't actually know what the N7 collection is, it says Nike believes kids aren't meant to stay still, they're made to play. The N7 collection supports Nike's commitment to get kids moving through the N7 Fund, which supports organizations to provide sports and physical activity programming to kids in Native American and Aboriginal communities so that they can lead healthier, happier, and more successful lives. Since its inception in 2009, the N7 Fund has awarded more than $6.6 million in grants to 252 communities and organizations, reaching more than 437,000 youth. Harnessing the power of sports as a unifying force, the N7 Fund helps kids reach their greatest potential and reflects Nike's belief in creating more equal playing fields for everyone. Really dope box though. I love the look of this box. That has the backboard, the hoops, and then the cement hardtop on the bottom. It's really nice. Happy to accept another pair of Air Max 270s in the collection. In fact, I believe Hibbett Sports sent me this pair last year, which I still have. As you can see, it's on the sneaker wall. And speaking of sneakers from last year, this is the Huarache from last year's N7 collection that I did a video on as well. So thank you to Hibbett Sports for showing love on the video and sending another pair, as well as the hoodie and the extra goodies. Always a big plus. If you guys didn't know, I'm definitely a big fan of the outreach communities for the youth and whatnot, like the Dornbecker Project that you can see all of the Dornbecker Jordans and stuff behind me. This is just another one of those great projects that Nike is a part of and helps the community in a larger way than what a lot of us would give credit to Nike for. So I think it's a great thing that they're continuing to create. Even if you're not Native American, that doesn't mean you can't rock the N7 collection. The whole purpose of this is to create awareness, and I think that they do a really good job with their collections every single year. So hopefully this has been enlightening to those people that don't know what the N7 collection is all about. Now that you know, maybe you guys want to go support the cause for the collection. If you guys do, check the link in the description. You can go over to Hibbett's site. And again, the entire collection drops on the 21st. In fact, this year there was 2 new models that Tinker Hatfield himself designed, ground up design for the N7 collection, which is pretty rad. There's a Nike Zoom Heritage N7 that looks really dope actually. It's a basketball inspired sneaker for res ball, which is a style of basketball play in their community. And there's also the Nike Air Zoom Down Rock N7 that is a really cool looking like skate alternative type shoe. Also, to celebrate the N7 launch, Hibbett Sports will be hosting a special N7 Until We All Win contest. Basically, to enter, participants will need to share their repost of a special N7 post from Hibbett Sports via Twitter or Facebook or Instagram. 3 people will be selected to win a pair of Nike N7 sneakers plus an outfit from the N7 collection. And for all the details about the contest, check the link in the description if you guys want to go over there and enter. Again, all you have to do is just repost their stuff. So pretty cool, nice little alternative way to give back and give you guys a chance to get some of the collection. And before I finish the video, just another bonus that I got from Hibbett Sports this month. I already did an unboxing and a review of this shoe right here, but this is a Pegasus 36. It's a great running shoe for those people looking for a nice sturdy running shoe or something that you can use for the gym or just an all-around shoe. It's a great product at a $120 price point, and it's a nice new sleek looking model to the Pegasus line. But check out my review on my channel if you haven't seen it already. Alright, that's all we have for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Have a great rest of the day. We'll catch you guys for some more videos very soon. Peace guys.